Good morning, student. The next article is quantum theory of Raman effect. We have to see in the last lecture classical theory of Raman effect, that is molecular polarizability. Okay, this is the quantum theory of Raman effect. We have to see in last lecture classical theory of Raman effect. There are three lines we have to find. Rayleigh line, their frequency is nu zero. Second one is Raman-Stokes line, their frequency is nu zero minus nu vibration. And last one is Raman anti-Stokes line, their frequency is nu zero plus nu vibration. Okay. The quantum mechanical picture is based on the Kerman-Heisenberg's theory of light. According to this theory, when a photon of frequency nu zero is interact with molecule of substance, okay, it will jump from any of its initial vibrational or rotational level E prime in V prime upon J prime. This is the vibrational rotational level where the value of V prime upon J prime is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. To any higher vibrational or rotational level, E double prime V double prime upon J double prime. This is initial state and this is final state. Okay. The value of V double prime upon J double prime is same as V prime upon J prime, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. The higher energy level is unstable. This energy level is unstable for any proton or molecule also. The lifetime of this unstable state is 10 to the power minus 17 second. This is the lifetime of this unstable state. The molecule in virtual level subsequently returned to any one of the initial vibrational and rotational energy level E prime suffix V upon J prime with emission of photon. The process of release of photon may be divided into following three cases. Okay. Case first. In this case, the molecule may return from virtual state to any initial state such that the frequency of released photon is that of incident photon. That is E double prime V double prime upon J double prime minus E prime V prime upon J prime is equal to H nu 0. Means molecule, this is higher state and this is lower state. Molecule will come to ground state and it will radiate the frequency H nu 0. Okay. This is the equation. This is equation number 1. Or nu 0 is equal to E double prime V double prime upon J double prime minus E prime V prime upon J prime divided by EH. Rearrange the equation in this form. This is true for true for 0 tends to 0, 1 tends to 1, 2 tends to 2 and etc. and so on. Transition. The phenomena of emission of photon is called Rayleigh scattering. The molecule comes to 0 to 0, 1 to 1, 2 to 2. This phenomena is known as Rayleigh scattering and it is due to interaction of photon with nucleus. the energy level diagram of Rayleigh scattering as shown in figure. This is the figure. How to allow the transition. These are the transition. This is the E prime V prime upon J prime. This state. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. The photon of frequency is h nu 0. This is Rayleigh scattering. Same as initial or excited state 0, 1, 2 and 3. This is EI and this is EX. What is the value of EX? E double prime upon J double prime. The allowed states are 0 to 0. This is 0 to 0, 1 to 1, 2 to 2 and 3 to 3. This is the Rayleigh scattering. This is ES, means initial state. Okay, this is the first case. Then case second. Case second. In this case, the molecule in state P prime upon J prime is equal to 0 absorb incident photon and jumps to virtual level. Okay, and the subsequently returns to any one of the initial state. Any one means 0, 1, 2, 3, any one state, with the release of photon with lower frequency nu prefix s. This is the release of photon with lower frequency nu prefix s. Then the incident photon, that is E double prime V double prime upon J double prime minus E prime V prime upon J prime is equal to h nu s. This is equation number 2. Okay, this is true for zero to 1, 0 to 2, 0 to 3 and so on. These transitions are allowed. 0 to 1, 0 to 2, 0 to 3. This is known as Stokes scattering. This is known as Stokes scattering. The diagram of Stokes-Raman scattering or effect as shown in figure 2. Okay, same as transitions 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3. This is ES means E prime into V upon J prime, and this is EX, excited state. Transition allowed 0 to 1. Okay, this is 0 to 1. Okay, this is 0 to 0 transition is allowed. This is absorption spectra. Only this is 0 to 3, then 0 to 2, and 0 to 1. These transitions are allowed in this case too. Okay, this is known as Stokes-Raman scattering. Okay, then third case is case third. In this case, the molecule of higher initial level V prime upon J prime is equal to 1 gains energy from incident photon and jumps to any one of the virtual level. This molecule subsequently return to the any of the initial level, whereas release of the photon. Okay, first one is with frequency nu of A higher than that of incident photon. Therefore, V double prime upon J double prime minus V prime upon J prime is equal to H nu into prefix E. This is equation number 3. This is true for one to 0, 2 to 0, 3 to 0, and so on. This process of photon is called as anti-Stokes line or anti-Stokes-Raman effect, as shown in following figure. Same transitions, 3, 2, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, then 3, 2, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. The transitions are 1 to 3. This is 1 to 3, then 1 to 2. Then absorption is taken by 1 to 1 and emission is taken by 1 to 0. Okay, this is ES, this is EX, this is nu A. Okay, these are the anti-Stokes line. Of Raman effect. Okay, according to quantum theory, these are the 3 cases: first, second, and third. First one is Rayleigh, second one is Stokes, and third one is anti-Stokes. According to quantum theory, a wave frequency nu 0 is consists of photon of each of energy H nu 0. H means Planck's constant. When this light falls on molecule of solid, it undergoes a collision with the molecule. First one is if the collision is elastic. In this case, or according to quantum theory, some predictions are, or some statements are. First one is if the collisions are elastic. What happened? There is no transfer of energy from the photon to molecule and vice versa, molecule to photon. Hence, photon is scattered without change in energy and frequency of the photon is same as incident photon. Means same energy incident as well as same energy for the 2 photons. Okay. Hence, photon is scattered without change in energy and frequency of the photon is same as incident photon. This explains the presence of Rayleigh lines. Okay, nu is equal to 0. And second one is if the collision is inelastic. Inelastic, there is exchange of energy between photon and molecule. Let the incident photon with energy h nu collides with a molecule of kinetic energy half mv square and intrinsic energy E prime. Let nu prefix s be the frequency of scattered photon. Frequency of scattered, s indicate for scattered photon. v1 be the velocity of molecule. And E double prime is intrinsic energy. Then according to conservation of energy, the equation is h nu 0 plus half mv square plus E prime is equal to h nu 1 plus half m v1 square plus E double prime. This is the conservation energy. As there is no change in temperature and there is no change in kinetic energy, therefore half mu square is equal to half mv1 square. Because of there is no change in temperature, that is there is no change in kinetic energy, these energies are same, v0 and v1. Hence h nu 0 plus E prime is equal to h nu s plus E double prime. These two equations are same because of no change in kinetic energy. Therefore, these equations are already same. Okay. Therefore, h nu 0 is equal to h nu s plus E double prime minus E prime, or h nu 0 is equal to h nu s plus delta E, means change in energy, or nu 0 is equal to nu s plus delta E upon EH. This is the equation of frequency nu 0. In this equation there are two cases are arises. First one is case first. In this equation, case first, two cases are arises. Case first, molecule gains energy from the photon and goes from higher energy E prime to a higher energy state E double prime. In this state, molecule gain the energy and goes to E double prime, means higher state. Therefore, E double prime minus E prime is equal to delta E is positive. Because of energy, molecule gain energy in this state, means initial state, and goes to final state. That is the change in energy is positive. Therefore, nu 0 is equal to nu s plus delta E upon H, or nu s is equal to nu 0 minus delta E upon H, or nu s is equal to nu 0 minus delta E upon H, means nu delta nu E by H is equal to nu, since, and this is the equation of in this case. The frequency of scattering photon is less than the incident photon. This explains presence of modified Stokes line or lower frequency or lower wavelength side of the Raman spectrum. These are the Stokes lines or low frequency or longer wavelength side of the Raman spectrum. Then case 2. The molecule may be already excited state. Initially, it may lose energy to the photon, which may have frequency nu of A. The molecule now goes to initial higher energy level E prime to the lower energy level E double prime. Molecule in this state and comes to this state, that is the lower state. So that E double prime minus E prime is negative. Okay, hence nu 0 is equal to nu of A minus delta E by H, or nu of A is equal to nu 0 plus delta E upon H, or nu A is equal to nu 0 plus delta nu. Okay, this is the anti-Stokes line. The frequency of scattered photon is higher than that of incident photon. This explains of anti-Stokes line on higher energy, higher frequency or shorter wavelength side of the Raman spectrum. These are the case first and two. First one is Stokes line and second one is anti-Stokes line. The next article in this article, sub-article, characteristics of Raman lines. Okay, first one is intensity. Intensity of Raman lines varies directly as nu 0 minus nu vibration to the power 4, except in vicinity of Raman resonance scattering, that is intensity depends on frequency of radiation. Intensity is maximum, radiation is maximum. Intensity is minimum, radiation is minimum. Stokes lines are invariably stronger than anti-Stokes line. That is, anti-Stokes lines are generally fainter than Stokes line. Stokes lines are dark and anti-Stokes lines are faint because of this equation. Intensity of anti-Stokes line growth with temperature. Temperature increases, intensity also increases. Then second one is width and shape. Second characteristics, width and shape. Raman lines are narrow in gases, narrow in gases, comma, liquids and crystals, while amorphous substance lines are broad. In crystal form, lines are narrow, and amorphous, they are broad and diffuse. Width of Raman lines increases with increase in temperature. Temperature increases, also width is increases. This shape of Raman lines is independent of incident radiation. Then third one is frequency shift. Frequency shift of Raman lines of Rayleigh line varies from 4000 to few wave numbers. And independent of frequency of incident radiation. Then fourth one is, and last one is polarization. Raman scatter radiation is at least practically polarized irrespective of the polarization of incident radiation. Means positive goes to negative side and negative goes to positive side. Polarization depends on structure of molecule as well as symmetry of vibrational motion. The scattered radiation may be polarized in a plane parallel and perpendicular to the plane of polarization. Let I parallel means and I perpendicular means polarization depends on the scatter radiation may be polarized in plane parallel and perpendicular. This parallel of plane and this is perpendicular of plane of scatter radiation polarized in parallel and perpendicular planes respectively. The ratio of I parallel to I perpendicular is called degree of depolarization. Ratio is I parallel and I perpendicular called as depolarization, and it is denoted by rho is equal to I parallel upon I perpendicular. This is the ratio of depolarization. Depolarization plays important role in determining the symmetry of vibrational mode. Theoretically, rho is less than, rho means density is less than, rho is less than 3/4 for totally symmetric mode. Symmetric mode. If rho is equal to 3/4, modes are not totally symmetrical. Modes are not totally symmetrical. If rho is less than 6/7, the vibration are asymmetric. Asymmetric and capable of polarization radiation. When rho is greater than 6/7, depolarization of radiation. In this ratio, the molecules or radiation occurs. This is polarization, depolarization, symmetric or asymmetric. This is the quantum theory of Raman effect.